Hello everyone. Let's get started with a thought. Wake up with determination and go to bed with satisfaction. So, children, set a small goal each day and try to accomplish it before going to bed. Let us learn about misuse of medicines. Sometimes some people take medicines without prescription of doctor. Overdose of medicines may affect our body. Example, overdose of painkillers may damage nervous system, excretory system, liver, etc. Overdose of antibiotics may lead to nausea, stomach ache, dysentery, rash, white patches on tongues, etc. People misuse the drugs to relax or to relieve tension and to get enough sleep. So they use painkillers, sleeping tablets without doctor's prescription. The effects of misuse of drugs depend on the specific drug used, how they are taken, how much is taken, the person's health, and other factors. Short term effects are changes in appetite, changes in heartbeat, blood pressure, and overuse of drugs may even cause death. So, medicines should not be taken without prescription of doctor. Let us study about generic medicines. Generic medicines are also known as general medicines. These are manufactured and distributed without any patent. Let me tell you what is patent. Patent is a grant of protection for an invention. Owning a patent gives you the right to stop someone else from making, using, or selling your invention without your permission. The drug which is protected by patent is branded drug, and the drug which is a copy of branded drug and is equivalent in terms of safety, dosage, and use is called generic drug. It does not require any patent and so it will cost less. So, generic medicines are distributed and manufactured without any patent. These medicines are at par in quality with branded medicines. Production cost of these medicines is very low due to fewer expenses on research as their formula is readily available. So, generic medicines are copies of brand name drugs that have exactly the same dosage, intended use, effects, side effects, route of administration, risks, safety, and strength as the original drug. The brand name is the name given by the company that makes the drugs. On the other hand, the generic name is the name of active ingredients. On October 2012, Government of India issued a direction that the drugs will be sold within a generic name instead of their branded names. People should give special importance to value safety and cost effectiveness of medicine, and it does not matter to them whether the drug is branded or unbranded. Children, let me give you few examples of generic medicine. Paracetamol is generic medicine and crocin is a branded drug. Vitamin supplements, B complex is a generic medicine and Bicosul is a branded medicine. One more example of generic drug which is used for diabetes is metformin is the generic medicine and a brand name for metformin is glucophage. Let us see how lifestyle and diseases are related. Lifestyle includes the daily routine and the type of food. Nowadays, habits like staying in bed till late morning and going to bed late in night, frequent changes in meal timings, lack of physical exercise, consumption of junk food, etc., have been increased. Due to this, such people are getting sick frequently. If frequency of becoming sick is to be lowered, people should follow right lifestyle. It must include sufficient sleep, right food, yogasanas, pranayam, and physical exercise. Physical exercise should also be as per one's own capacity. Children stay away from bad habits like staying in bed till late morning and going to bed late in night. Then lack of physical exercise, eating of junk food. These all will increase the frequency of falling sick. And if you will stick to bad habits, then you may suffer from various types of diseases. In order to remain healthy, one should follow right lifestyle, which includes sufficient sleep, right food, doing pranayam, yogasanas, and physical exercises regularly. And physical exercise should be done as per one's own capacity. Let us study about the importance of vaccination. Children, you must be knowing the term immunization. Immunization means protection. The most effective and safe way to protect people from contagious diseases is by giving them proper vaccine. Vaccination is the administration of a vaccine to help the immune system to develop protection from a disease. Vaccines contain a microorganism or virus in a weakened, live, or killed state. That is, vaccine consists of virus particles or bacteria or other pathogens that have been grown in culture and then their disease producing capacity is lost. So, vaccination is a treatment which makes the body stronger against an infection. Examples of vaccines: vaccine against diphtheria, tetanus, whooping cough, vaccine against measles, mumps, and rubella, that is MMR vaccine. Children, you might be having a vaccination guidelines with you. Follow those guidelines to stay healthy. Due to COVID-19, Education Department has reduced the syllabus for the year 2020-21 only. So, from this chapter, do you know paragraph which is given on page number 12? Let us celebrate health awareness days, page number 12. Then understand the importance blood donation which is given on page number 13. These all paragraphs are kept for self study and no question will be asked based on above paragraphs. So children, we have completed lesson number 2, health and diseases. We will discuss question answers of this lesson in next video. Thank you.